friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a little collection to show you that is perfect for the grads in your life, and it's got the classic mouse that you will remember from a previous collection. And guess what? You don't need the die set Boss Team Duo, because the mouse come in this collection as well. So you got the dress up for a perfect grad, with the tassel, the hat with the tassel, and you can build the mouse without having to get the original one, so it's pretty cool. And here you got the graduation classic mouse graduation sentiment that come with some better press sentiment, the tassel, a big tassel, and some letters as well, die set letters. So it's all come with some dies to to cut around your sentiment, but then it's very, very unique. It's got some numbers as well. So I'm gonna make a card today using the classic mouse graduation sentiment. So this is the tassel, and I'm gonna foil it in gold and using one of the sentiment as well. And then I'm gonna die cut my numbers 2026 in gold, the outline in gold, and the shadow in like cream color. I think I made a mistake. I was putting 2020 instead of 2026. So just and then it come with the number 2 and 2 number 0 as well. So you get you can it's easy to, I don't know why it came with 2, maybe just mine, I'm not sure. But it came with the double 2 and double 0, so I don't know if you're gonna get that, but it make it easy for me to create much faster. Now I'm gonna do my little hat in black and gray, and the little tassel I'm gonna die cut in sparkly gold. So let me do some die cutting and foiling, and that's done. I've got my little hat there. I'm gonna glue in a minute. I did some extra better press and die cutting, so I'm gonna put it for later over there. And now let's reveal my lovely, still a bit warm, my lovely foil. Let's see how they come out. I used some very smooth white cardstock that I had in stock. This is not the glimmer one. The Spellbinder glimmer cardstock is perfect. It's absolutely perfect. It's always create amazing result. But I've got this smooth one I wanted to try, and I have to tell you true, it worked perfectly fine as well. So I'm very happy with that. So the smoother is the cardstock that you got, the better the foil come out. So happy with that. Now I want to create a special card, but before I do that, I'm gonna do all my gluing for the letters and all the preparation. So very quickly, I'm just gonna glue down everything. I speed up a bit the video so it doesn't take forever, but I'm gonna just simply glue in my numbers and center it on the shadow. So you can do different colors, and you can use just the outlines, up to you. But I think they look pretty good with the shadow. Something very school-like about it. Even the font. Okay, we got our 2026. Time to put together our little hat that is super, super simple. I don't know if we got a special name, this hat. I have no idea. We don't really use it in, never use it in Italy for my graduation, never, and I didn't use here in UK yet. My kids are young, so I don't even know if they use this. Probably not. It looks very American. Not sure. You let me know. But it's super cute. There you go. And now I'm just gonna create something with something a bit different. I found this piece of uh, cardstock that was left over. I thought was perfect to create a nut. So I'm just gonna glue it down. I thought, "Oh, that's lucky." I look at it, I was like, it looks that it should be kind of perfect for my hat. Oh, I need to go a bit higher here. Here you go. I'm just gonna crop the excess. And I left a tiny bit of white over there, but don't worry, I'm gonna remove it by using my Tmall's little trimmer. So I'm just gonna, oh, I didn't trim it. I used a big one. I don't know why. Anyway, I trimmed the excess. And now to create the effect of the tassel going over the hat, I'm using two tiny strip of gold that I just die cut as well. And I'm just gonna put it on an angle. So hopefully it gives the impression of the tassel going on top of the hat. Hopefully. So I'm just gluing them down like that. Just cut the excess. That's it. Oh, I cut just one. There you go. And I think it come out nice, hopefully. You tell me. And now I'm just gonna glue my 2026. So I don't have anybody to give this one, but I've got a market coming up very soon, so I'll see if someone want to buy. I'm gonna put all my cards out there and see. Now I've got 0. There you go. And the first 2. I don't even know when they graduate. I guess in June, maybe. I'm not sure. Anyway, I've got my 2026. I just eyeball it. I didn't measure. I mean, I didn't put any line or anything. I just hope for the best. I think they come out straight enough. And now I'm just gonna attach my adorable little hat. And I want it to be on top of the Congrats Grad, another sentiment from the same Better Press. That is press and foil, actually. There you go. I fold everything in gold, simple gold. I thought it will look elegant. There you go. And I trim a little bit my panel because I want it to be to have a little border of black. So I don't know why I'm doing this, but just gonna glue on top and leaving a tiny little border, hopefully. There you go. I think it's come out straight. Yeah, good job. Okay, so I'm gonna press down a little bit, and now I'm gonna center this. That is not exactly 7x4, it's slightly smaller. I'm gonna center it to my 7x5 card. So we got another border of white all around. So we create a double frame that I think it make the cards look more elegant. What do you think? There you go. Super simple, but this card is done. And yeah, didn't take too long to make, to be fair, so good. But I did make before 2 other cards using the die set and the sentiment as well. And for this one I use as well a very old, not very old, but old die stitching die. And for this one, I made it very feminine. Let me put it on focus. There you go. I used a die set from the Poppy Song collection that came out this month. I thought was matching nicely with for this card. I will link the video I made at the end of this one. So I will list, of course, everything I use and this collection that is super cute, very small, down below. Thank you so much. If you want to use the link, I really appreciate it. Of course, it's completely your choice. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice rest of the day and see you next time. Bye!
In a world that moves too fast, I find peace in the paper and the past. With every cut, with every fold, a little piece of my heart takes hold. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul. When the silence starts to creep